guys, welcome back to Gaz's Koi Pond. Just thought I'd do you a quick little update. My wife has been out and picked me up a new bird feeder. I've filled it up with the new bird seed and wax balls. Stuck it in the garden, and literally within 5 minutes of me putting the new one out, we could hear birds whistling and everything everywhere. So I popped to the window and had a quick look, and well, this is what we got to see. But before I flick round to the video, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that entered into the giveaway prize draw. Chuffed to bits with the results and how many people's entered, so this is going to be a little bit of an update on that, and just thought you might enjoy seeing a little bit of something in the garden. Nothing really fish related on this occasion, but as I said, update to the giveaway, and also the birds enjoying the food outside in the garden. So I'll spin camera around guys and let you have a look. Take it easy. See you in a tick. Literally only just put that out, it's been out 5 minutes and they're already going crazy on it.
The new ones, I thought I'd get a different flavour one.
I like the ones with the
Black ones,
the bigger seeds in them.
That's a greedy one, isn't it? That's what you do. The food is so spicy. Food's so spicy when you eat it.
Just didn't get bigger chunks out of that one though.
Oh, instead of that netting one, that's good for little tiny lumpets or something that comes out one.
They've eaten all the starlings, raided that bush that were all full there. All that were full of berries, and they've raided all that.
Look, see little tiny one that's on
Little sparrow there.
They're tiny, they like that one. They're using that, the starlings.
Starlings, yeah.
They're flowers, they're the starlings.
What are you going to put that on something? You used it to cat, wasn't it?
I don't know what I'm doing. I can't believe there's that many that are there already. They've just been out a couple of minutes. Can you see him? Look where the bird is.
Babies, aren't they?
They ain't gonna last long, are they?
We've got 2 bugs. But flies like this. These stand on 4, don't they? The bigs are born with a dog. Little ones up there, but losing. There's loads in that tree over there, isn't there? They're all waiting, aren't they? For these greedy buggers to go.
This tree?
Hmm?
This tree?
That was across, wasn't it? Just look at it over there.
Can't see any of them. My eyes are
You can't see
shocking.
no birds in that. There's loads in that.
Oh, good.
These little ones have come now, aren't they? Little bits. Oh no, they're not. Babies, aren't they? That one hasn't moved yet, you know, that big one. That's been on for ages, same one.
Might be starving. Well, there's very little food around from her this time of year. There's no.
If I don't mind buying her, it's too quick for her.
Oh, dodgy
Now we know
camera
they
work.
come to it. I was watching them the other day though. You know, little ones on that one. Okay,
Get a little branch where it's trying to
I
get some
know.
bouncing underneath it. Every time it goes to get some, it bounces away from feeder.
It's going bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
Yeah, it did have a massive piece, didn't it?
Oh, been sat there for 5 minutes. Is it? Oh, isn't it?
Although they knew what it's not.
Yeah.
That one there, she would that. They would put that on.
Like Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. And I'm a bit on the feet.
Honestly though, I can't believe they'll put that second one out that fast. And within a couple of minutes of it being out there, they've already found it.
That has got so much.
Look at bits it's
I
dropping
know,
though.
that's what I mean. Other birds thought, well,
Oops.
underneath them.
Clean your mess up, mate. There'll be loads. Oh, there is loads that'll fall up.
Right, look at birdies.
And there we go. Literally just put that out. In a matter of minutes. And already birds are going crazy on it. Leave them to it. Open through the winter. Oh, blackbird just come in for some worms out of the garden. And the smaller birds now are back. And the female blackbirds now coming to garden. Hopefully I'm hoping that these two start nesting somewhere in the garden because they come back every day. As the female, the one that you saw earlier with the yellow beaks, the male. That were just up there on the fence. And this is its partner. They tend to come round whenever I've cut grass as well because they're obviously get some worms coming to the surface. There you go, a big worm. Wow, it's the only one go.
There is, I've stuck them up another one. I've just not got, I bought the box of salad and that just went, I think it's worth me and Dad. And I said, that's slice back and stuff it. And then I had to put my lettuce sticks in them. Because it really that small box, it just went in there and didn't want one. And there was enough of them. And then I just got chopped grilled chicken.
Really quite tame though.
Put that on it.
Whenever I'm doing a bit of gardening, these guys always come out. Especially in the last sort of like 3 to 4 months. Oh, it's gone behind the back of that little bit of a front there now. A little female blackbird. They're coming right to the front door back, look at it. Oh, there we go. Just got another worm.
I think it's going to fit in, unless he has a massive spurt. I think it's going to fit.
Behind the back of the fence.
For a while. Because he's still, I'm starting to grow them up. He's halfway to being 10 months.
You can see that we're quite close. I'm stood just behind the window. Obviously not bothered about me being around.
Did ya?
Starling's feeding like crazy again. Sure. Oh, that's the male. That's the male blackbird, I think. Can't tell. Oh no. Another starling. And a couple of little hedge sparrows there. All waiting their turn to come in and get a bit of food. But they will come down whenever those boisterous starlings are out. And there's the female blackbirds come back out again.
Yeah, we're getting. Eat it. Hopefully it'll come by once you print it.
Oh, is it? Oh, is it? I thought you said you didn't want
I
one.
didn't want the chairs. I didn't want to find it. Just the table and it's not sustainable. Not playing just the chair. But I could only get small, I couldn't get large. So I found a large and I was measuring it last night with Tim. It wasn't long, I can't measure it. It was massive already, so it's really big. I couldn't get anything. So I looked again and it was small. So as a small,
It's the bit I love about having a pond in your garden. When you've got a pond in your garden, nature seems to come around. They come down and they'll have a bath in it. There she go then. I think she just flown off. They'll come down and have a drink from your pond. Come down and have a bath. Give themselves a wash and a clean. And get some food. All those people that say you get parasites from bird poo, forget parasites from bird poo. And I'll treat pond if necessary. I'm not also sure that that's actually right or wrong, but having a net on, they can't really get down to have a bath in there, apart from when I've cut the plants back like they are now at this stage. And if they do, they get down and just in those little bits of those plants there and have a bit of a bath in there. But I did used to have a bird bath as well, but that got blown over by the wind and got smashed. I should get myself a new one, and they'll not be trying to do it in pond instead. Oh, non-stop, literally. This video has now been rolling for about 8-9 minutes. But that second feeder there, the first one to the left, that's only just been put out because the squirrels bust the other one. So I've just put a new one out and topped those ones up the other day, and already they're absolutely demolishing it. I'll leave them to it. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit. So guys, just in case anybody's interested, this is what the birds were just feeding on. Just wild garden with nuts and seeds, multi-pack of ultimate fat balls. Basically just them, and they seem, well, as you saw, they absolutely love it. There's this one that was given in, and we're mixing a couple of these ones which are a little bit more of smaller seeds and bits in them as well. And that's what they were eating. Now then, going to be recycling a box, cardboard box, bit of packaging for the Christmas giveaway. And what there is in there is obviously a coffee cup, a selection of sweets, and a couple of sachets of, I think they're either lattes or some form of a coffee, the famous grouse, a little bit of a tipple if you want to make it a bit of a adult's coffee, and a Christmas card which I will be filling in. Obviously it's not sealed, but we'll be filling in from myself, just to say, you know, Merry Christmas and a thanks to everybody. So there's a little prize for everybody. It will be coming obviously in this packaging. I'm just recycling a box rather than going out and buying another box. I'm just going to make use of this one, package it all up nice and safe, and get it posted out to the lucky winner once I've done and completed the draw, which will be taking place I think tomorrow. So I'll be dropping this video today and doing the actual draw tomorrow. So for all those that's still interested and would like to be in it, all you need to do is add my grandson's name, which is pretty obvious what it is now, as most of the comments, everybody's put the same kind of answer, so it'll give anybody else a chance that might want to have a go. But you must obviously don't make the comment on this video, on my last video, if you want to be in and drawn into it. But there is quite a fair few people, and really I'm chuffed with the amount of people that's entered, so I'll spin the camera around and I'll get back to you in a tick. So for all those who have entered, I'd just like to say a big thank you from me and Teddy, as you all got the answer right. I don't think anybody actually put down an incorrect name, so we're going to say a big thank you and do the draw for everybody to have a go at winning the prize, aren't we, Ted? Yeah? Catch you in a bit, guys. Say bye-bye. So guys, that's it from this little update. Just again, a big, huge thank you to all those that have entered, and I will obviously get the drawing done tomorrow. Hopefully I might be able to get a little bit more footage of stuff, pond related things in the up and coming weeks. But for now, on this one, that's the end of this little update, and a big thank you from me and Teddy, and thanks very much to all the new subscribers. For anybody that was interested or would like to subscribe, please do so. Very much appreciated. It helps me get towards my next target of 500. So thanks very much, guys, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Take it easy, keep smiling. See you soon.